Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the previous class, I solved the problems on exercise 7.2. Let us continue the problems on same exercise. Let us take the first problem, integrate by substitution method. The first problem is integration of 1 by x into log x whole to the power of m dx he has given. Okay. So here integration of 1 by log x whole to the power of m into 1 by x dx we can write. Okay, if you substitute here, log x is equal to t, so log x is equal to t. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x, then dt by dx. Okay, again 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Okay, then you substitute in this 1 by t to the power of m, then dt. So we know the integration of 1 by x to the power of n dx, that is equal to minus 1 by n minus 1 into x to the power of n minus 1 plus c. So this is the formula in the integration for 1 by x to the power of n. Okay, if you apply here, means minus 1 by m minus 1 t to the power of m minus 1 plus c, then minus 1 m minus 1 t value is log x whole to the power of m minus 1 plus c. So this is the answer. Okay, take down the next question. Second one, integrate x by 9 minus 4x square dx. Okay, so let us write here 1 by 9 minus 4x square into x dx. Okay, so if you substitute here 9 minus 4x square is equal to t, then differentiation of 9 is 0, 4 is in constant, x square differentiation is 2x, then dt by dx. Okay, then 8x dx is equal to dt, then x dx is equal to minus dt by 8 we can write. Okay, so let us substitute here. If you substitute in this 1 by t minus dt by 8, in the place of x dx we have to substitute minus dt by 8. So minus 1 by 8 is a constant, integration of 1 by t dt. You know that integration of 1 by x integration is log x plus c. So that is equal to minus 1 by 8 log t plus c. Okay. Take on the next problem. Third one, integration of e to the power of 2x plus 3 dx. Okay, so here let us substitute 2x plus 3 is equal to t. So 2 is in constant, x differentiation is 1, 3 is in constant 0, then dt by dx, then dx is equal to dt by 2 you can write. Okay, then let us substitute here. If you substitute in the place of 2x plus t to the power of t, in the place of dx dt by 2, so 1 by 2 is a constant, integration of e to the power of t dt. Okay, so that is equal to 1 by 2. Integration of this is e to the power of t plus c. Then e to the power of t value is 2x plus 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, take on the next problem. X by e to the power of x square dx. Okay, so we can write it as 1 by e to the power of x square x dx. Okay, so x square is equal to t, then integration of this is, so 2x, sorry, differentiation of this x square is equal to t, 2x is equal to dt by dx, then x dx is equal to dt by 2. Then if you substitute here 1 by e to the power of t, x dx means dt by 2. Then 1 by 2 is a constant, integration of 1 by e to the power of t dt, then 1 by 2, then e to the power of minus t dt. So here minus is there, so that is equal to 1 by 2. So integration of this is minus e to the power of minus t plus c, then substitute the value minus 1 by 2 e to the power of minus means t value is minus x square plus c, that can be written as minus 1 by 2 e to the power of x square plus c. Okay. Take down the next problem. Two cos x minus 3 sin x by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x dx. Okay. Okay. Let us separate it. So integration of 1 by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x into 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx. Okay, so let us substitute here 6 cos x plus 4 sin x is equal to t, then differentiation of this, 6 is a constant, minus sin x, then 4 is a constant, cos x dt by dx. Then remove here 2 is uncommon. 2 is uncommon means minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x is equal to dt by dx. Then we can write it as, here we can write 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx is equal to dt by 2, we can write. Okay, so here if you substitute in this 1 by t then 1 by t is equal to dt by 2. So 1 by 2 is a constant integration of 1 by t dt. Then you know the integration of 1 by x integration is log x plus c. So if you apply integrate here, integration formula, then log t plus c, then 1 by 2 into log of 6 cos x plus 4 sin x plus c. Okay, take down the next problem. One minus tan x is equal to t. So let us differentiate this one. Let us separate first this one. 1 by 1 minus tan x whole square into 1 by cos square x dx. Okay. So if you 1 minus tan x is equal to t, one differentiation is 0, tan differentiation is secant square x is equal to dt by dx. Then we can write secant square can be written as 1 by cos square x dx is equal to minus dt we can write. Okay, and if you substitute in this 1 by t square into minus dt, minus is a constant, 1 by t square dt. Okay, if you apply the formula 1 by x to the power of n dx is equal to minus 1 by n minus 1 into x to the power of n minus 1 d plus c. This is the formula. If you apply here, so minus integration of this minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into t to the power of 2 minus 1 plus c, that is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. T value is, we can write 1 minus tan x whole to the power of 1 plus c. So this is the answer. Okay. Take down the next problem. Cos x by square root of 1 plus sin x dx. Okay, so if you 1 by square root of 1 plus sin x into cos x dx we can write. Okay, then if you substitute here 1 plus sin x is equal to t, then differentiation of this is 0. Sin x differentiation is cos x is equal to dt by dx. Then cos x dx is equal to dt. Okay, then if you substitute here 1 by 1 plus sin x can be written as root t, then this is on dt. Cos x dx can be written as dt. We know the integration of 1 by root t. 1 by root t can be written as, so 1 by root x, integration of 1 by root x dx can be written as 2 root x plus c. Okay, if you apply here 2 root t plus c, the t value is 2 root of 1 plus sin x plus c. Okay, take down the next problem. Integration of cot x log of sin x dx. Okay, so let us substitute here log of sin x cot x dx. Okay, so log of sin x is equal to t. Log of sin x is equal to t. Then differentiation of this is log x differentiation is 1 by x, means 1 by sin x. In the place of x, sin x is the chain rule. And 1 by sin x differentiation is cos x is equal to dt by dx. Cos by sin means cot x, dx is equal to dt. Okay, so if I substitute here, so this is on t, so this is on dt. So integration of t means t square by 2 plus c. The value of log of sin x whole square by 2 plus c. Okay. Take down an assignment question. Okay, take down the assignment questions. First one, integration of e to the power of 2x minus 1 by e to the power of 2x plus 1. Then second one, integration of e to the power of 2x minus e to the power of minus 2x by e to the power of 2x plus e to the power of minus 2x dx. The next one, integration of tan square 2x minus 3 dx. The next problem is integration of cos root x by root x dx. The next fifth one, integration of root sine 2x by integration of root sine 2x into cos 2x dx. The next one is integration of sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. Next seventh one is sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square dx. The next eighth one is integration of 1 by 1 plus cot x dx. Next one, ninth one, integration of 1 by 1 minus tan x dx. Next, tenth one, integration of root tan x by sin x cos x dx. Then 11th one, integration of 1 plus log x whole square by x dx. Then 12th one, integration of x cube sine of tan inverse x to the power of 4 dx by 1 plus x to the power of 8. Okay, next one, integration of x plus 1, then x plus log x whole square by x dx. Okay, again 14th one, integration of 10 into x to the power of 9 plus 10x 10 to the power of x log 10 by x to the power of 10 plus 10 to the power of x dx. The next one, integration of 1 by sin square x cos square x dx. These are the 15 questions as an assignment. Okay.